Across the world, there's only one bird of prey that earns the name sea raptor, osprey. This is the true and intimate story of one resolute osprey pair. They have flown 6,000 kilometers to reach a wild remnant of America's most crowded coast. But as they reaffirm their lifelong bond, the countdown begins. Now they must work as an elite team to build a home, to hunt, and battle their enemies. In the marsh around them, other stories of struggle and survival unfold. While the pair remain steadfast in their mission to raise tiny chicks into acrobatic aerial predators. This is their chance to fulfill the timeless connection to their home and pass on their legacy.